Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to Maya. So let's get started. First, open your Maya app and log into your account. And make sure your Maya account is fully verified because some features may not be available if you're only partially verified. But once you're verified, look on your home screen for the option to cash in. Right over here, tap on the option to add or link a bank account, the third one. So when you do this, Maya will show you a list of support banks. Choose your bank from the list, even from this page, and then enter the required details, which usually include your online banking username, account number, or registered mobile number, depending on the bank's registration. And after entering your details, you may be redirected to your bank's secure login page. So log in using your online banking credentials and complete any required authentication, such as entering a one-time password sent to your phone. Now, this step confirms that you're the owner of the bank account. Once the authentication is successful, you'll be redirected to the My app, and your bank account should now appear as a linked account. And from there, you can use it to cash in, transfer funds, or move money between your bank and your Maya wallet more conveniently. As you can see, for example, I want to link my BDO app. It'll provide me with a set of instructions. It's different from a different bank. Let's say BPI. As you can see here, BPI is very different as well. All right. But actually, when you try to do this, when you choose bank account, it'll say that as you can see here, as of this moment, linking banks is currently unavailable. So Maya is still updating their app. So keep an eye out for news and updates from either their social medias or this from the app itself if it's already available. But as of now, it's currently unavailable. And that's it. Your bank account is now successfully linked to Maya and ready to use. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.